Un piccolo video, netto. Francesco.
Capo!
I'm here with the staff at Via Roma restaurant tonight. It's a Tuesday night here in Beijing, and the staff, a bunch of lovely, great friends, have treated me to this spectacular experience. I had never had a chance really to dine with them. They're making fun of me because I don't know how to hold the chopsticks. But other than that, we're really having a good time. Say hello, guys. Hello to the US. Come on.
Ni hao, US!
Hi. To the Lubork, my friend Kevin. Jenny. Francesco Rompipalle.
Hi, Roman.
Faye, she's the boss. My friend, he don't feel good, I guess. Daniele. Gary is my man, Gary. And so we're here tonight. We're having a good time. This particular setup is called hot pot, where the food comes in raw, then it gets submerged in a basin of water, and a variety of different ingredients and flavors are around the table. Right. And that's Gary Lubork.
Kevin, say hi.
Hi. Gary Lubork.
Kevin. 可以，
配合一下，
谢谢你啊！
配合一下。
我干嘛呀？
我一人我也来不了啊，我也演不了啊。
这叫真棒，
真棒，
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 真棒。
真棒。This is the boss right here. Hi.
你好。